Hey guys, we just finished the 2-day mountain trek through the minority tribes of Sapa, and instead of getting a lift home, I've decided to walk the last 10 kilometres back to Sapa town, because you miss all this when you're in a car. So my tour guide's gone home. It's time to walk home. First horse in Vietnam. Just casually on the side of the road wearing a cowbell. Roads here are pretty interesting. Traffic doesn't go pretty quick, and I'm not either. Yep, it's all uphill, so we're going back in the cloud now, but oh, this walk back, man. Look at this island, this fortress on the hill. Wouldn't mind living there. Well, it's a lot of going uphill. In fact, it's been uphill the whole way. So we're going back into the clouds. And I'm the only idiot out here wearing a single layer. But that's exploring. There's the first goat I've seen. Oh, there's 3 of them. The mountain goats. Righto. Nothing wrong with a bit of construction too, eh?